How to organize folders in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the Canva homepage, you will see all your recent designs. In the left-hand panel, click on Projects with the folder icon. To create a new folder, click Add New button at the top right and select Folder. Give your folder a clear and descriptive name that matches the type of designs you want to store, such as social media, presentation, or marketing materials, then click Continue. Once your folder is created, you can start organizing your design. To move a design into a folder, click Add Design and select the design from the list. Alternatively, you can hover over a design, click the three dots More option, select Move, and choose the folder where you want to move it. You can also move multiple designs at once by selecting them and using the Move to Folder option. For more detailed organization, you can create subfolders or rename and delete folders anytime by clicking on the folder settings. Now you know how to organize folders in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.